Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vijay Kumar. I teach physics. Today I am going to teach the chapter light. So in light I am going to discuss how the image formation that takes place in the case of the curved mirror. So let's start. The image formation in the case of the concave mirror. How the image formation takes place for the different locations of the object. Image formation in concave mirror. Suppose this is your concave mirror. So what is the concave mirror? So already the concave mirror means the reflecting surface is the concave surface in the case of the concave mirror. Suppose this is the point P. This is the center of the concave mirror, that is called the pole. And C is the center of curvature of the concave mirror. The line joining from the center of curvature and pole of the mirror, that is called the principal axis. We can also define that what is the concave mirror. Concave mirror, it is the part of the spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is near the center of curvature. So in this case we will just discuss the image formation in the case of the concave mirror. So this is your focus of the concave mirror. The distance from the center of curvature to the pole of the mirror, that is called the radius of curvature R. The distance from the focal focus and the pole, that is called the focal length F. This R means this is your radius of curvature and F means it is your focal length. So the relation between the focal length and the radius of curvature, F is equal to R by 2. So this is the relations between F and R. So this is only about the general view of the concave mirror. Now I am coming the image formation for the different locations of the object. So case number 1. This is your pole, this is your center of curvature, and this is the focus. So in the case number 1, when the object is placed between the focus and the pole, suppose object is placed here. So we can write what is the case number 1. Case number 1 means the first case is that when object is placed between F and P. So the first ray that will be, if this ray passes parallel to the principal axis, so after reflection from the mirror, it will be passing from the focus. One ray, if it passes from the center of curvature, it will retrace their path. If we proceed this ray in the backward direction, it will cut. This is the intersection point. This intersection point means image formation takes place at the intersection of these two rays. This dotted line represents that this ray is the imaginary ray. This is not the real ray. This is your imaginary ray. Now come to the nature of the image. Nature and location of image. So location of image is, it forms behind the mirror. Image forms behind the mirror. As the length of image is larger as compared to the object, so we can say the image form is the enlarged. Image will be enlarged, erect, and virtual. As this image formation takes place by the intersection of the imaginary ray, so this image will be the imaginary virtual image. So this is the first case. So in this case, the image that will be the virtual image. So come to the second case. When the object is placed at F means focus, so this is your center of curvature, this is your focus, and this is your pole. Now object is placed at the focus. Again we can say that the parallel ray, this is the parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection from the mirror it will pass from the focus. The second ray that will pass from the center of curvature without any deviation. So we see that these both lines are parallel to each other. It means this line will intersect at the infinity. So the image formation takes place at the infinity, and the image will be the inverted image. So come to the nature and location of image. So image will be formed at infinity. If we come to the nature of image, image will be real. Why image will be real? Because this image formation takes place by the intersection of the real ray. So the image will be your, that is the real image. Image will be real, inverted, and highly magnified. means image will be very large. So this is the second case. Now come to the third case. Case number 3. When object is placed between C and F. C means center of curvature and the focus. This is your focus and this is your pole. Now the image means object is placed between the focus and the center of curvature. Suppose object is placed here. Again the first ray that will be parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection from the mirror it will pass from the focus. The second ray, it passes from the center of curvature and it retraces their path. So this is the intersection point of the two rays. So we can analyze this. The image formation takes place in this case that will be inverted, real and enlarged. So this image formation also takes place by the intersection of the real ray. So this image will be your real image. Now come to the location and nature of image. So we can analyze that. What is the location? The location of image, it lies between the center of curvature and the infinity. Or we can say that image form beyond infinity, means it is beyond C. Nature of image. Image will be real, inverted and enlarged. So this is your case number 3. Now come to the case number 4. So in case number 4, we place the object at the center of curvature. When object is placed at C means at the center of curvature. So this is your center of curvature, again this is your focus and this is your pole. Now we put the object at the center of curvature. So again this is the parallel to the principal axis and it passes from the focus. Second, we will plot that if it passes from the focus, so after reflection from the mirror, it will be parallel to the principal axis. So we observe that this image is formed at the same point at the C. This is your object and this is your image. And if we analyze, we observe that the size of object that is equal to the size of image. So location of image, that will be your at C. Nature, as the image formation takes place by the intersection of the real ray, so the image will be the real image. So we can say that image will be real, inverted, and having same size as the size of the object. So this is your case number 4. Now come to the case number 5. So in case number 5, the object is placed beyond C. The object is placed beyond C. So this is your center of curvature, this is your focus, and this is your pole. Now we place the object beyond C. Suppose this is the point. Again, the first ray that will be parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection from the mirror, it will pass from the focus. The second ray, if it is passing from the center of curvature, it retraces their path. And by the intersection of these two rays, this image formation takes place at this position. So this position means the image, the position of the image that lies between the center of curvature and the focus. And if we analyze, we can observe that the size of image is smaller as compared to the size of the object. So location. Where is the location of image? So the location of image is between C and F. Between C and F. So this is the location of the image. So now come to the nature of image. So here image will be real, because this image is formed by the intersection of the real ray. Inverted and diminished, because this image is smaller as compared to the size of the objects. So this completes the image formation in the case of the concave mirror. Now we will come to the image formation that takes place in the case of the convex mirror. Image formation in convex mirror. Suppose this is your convex mirror. So what is the convex mirror? So convex mirror means the reflecting surface is the convex surface. That is called the convex mirror. So first we draw, this is the center of the mirror, that is called the pole. We can say this is the pole, and suppose this is the center of curvature of this convex mirror. The line joining from the pole to the center of curvature, that is called the principal axis. Now suppose the object is placed here. So in the case of the convex mirror, there is no any special case. There will be only one cases for the image formation. So suppose this object is placed at this position, and this is the focus of the convex mirror. The first ray, which is parallel to the principal axis, if this ray passes from the reflecting surface, then after reflection from the mirror, it appears to pass from the focus. So it will appears to pass from the focus. And second rule, as we know that when a ray is passing from the center of curvature, it retraces their path. So suppose this is your so it will appears to pass from the focus, but it will retrace their path. There is no deviation for this ray, and this is the intersection point of the two ray. And as we know that the image formation that takes place at the intersection of the two ray, and here both of the ray are the virtual ray, they are not the real ray. So the image formation that takes place, that will be your virtual ray. So the location of image, so we can observe that location that will be from between pole and the focus. So location that is between pole and focus. This P means pole and F means focus. So we write here P is your pole and F is for the focus. And what is the nature of the image? Nature of image. So we can analyze that image formation that takes place. It is a virtual ray, it is a diminished virtual diminished and erect. So this is the formation of the image in the case of the mirror, in the case of the curved mirror. Now the most important thing that now we will come to the direction that will be considered for the object distance, image distance, focal length, all these things.